Everything you've ever known, everything you've ever seen, touched, or even dreamed of, exists in just 5% of the universe. So what is the other 95% hiding? The truth is, we know far less than we think. We live on a tiny rock, orbiting an average star in one of 100 billion galaxies. But what lies beyond the familiar? What cosmic secrets are waiting to be uncovered? Today, we're peeling back the curtain on the three biggest mysteries that keep scientists up at night. First up, the universe is expanding. We've known this for about a century. Think of it like a loaf of raisin bread baking in the oven. As the dough expands, all the raisins move farther apart from each other. That's what galaxies are doing. But here's the twist. Scientists expected this expansion to slow down over time. Gravity, the force that pulls everything together, should be acting like a brake, gently tugging on all those galaxies and reeling them back in. But in the late 1990s, astronomers made a jaw-dropping discovery. The expansion isn't slowing down at all. In fact, it's speeding up. Something is pushing everything apart, and it's doing so with more and more force as time goes on. This mysterious anti-gravity force was given a name: dark energy. We can't see it, we can't touch it, and we have absolutely no idea what it is. It makes up an estimated 68% of the entire universe, yet it remains a complete enigma. So, the first question we have to ask is, what force could possibly be strong enough to overpower gravity itself on a cosmic scale? Now, let's talk about the other big player in this cosmic mystery: dark matter. When astronomers look at galaxies, they see them spinning, but they're spinning way too fast. Based on the amount of visible matter, the stars, gas, and dust, we can see the outer stars should be flung off into space, like kids flying off a merry-go-round that's going too fast, but they aren't. They're held firmly in their orbits. This means there has to be some extra, invisible stuff providing the gravitational glue to hold the galaxy together. This invisible substance is what we call dark matter. It doesn't emit or reflect any light, which is why we can't see it. It makes up about 27% of the universe. Combine that with the 68% of dark energy, and you're left with our tiny 5% of normal matter. Scientists have built massive, ultra-sensitive detectors deep underground, trying to catch even a fleeting glimpse of a dark matter particle. But so far, nothing. It's like trying to find a ghost in a haunted house. That is the size of the entire cosmos. What is this invisible scaffold holding our universe together? And why can't we find it? Finally, let's talk about the beginning of everything: the Big Bang. Our entire universe, with all its billions of galaxies, is thought to have exploded from a point smaller than an atom. This singularity was infinitely hot and infinitely dense. But what was there before the Big Bang? And what caused it to, well, bang? The laws of physics, as we know them, break down at that initial moment. They just stop working. Some theories suggest our universe is just one bubble in a vast multiverse, with new universes popping into existence all the time. Others propose a cyclical model, where the universe expands, contracts back into a singularity, and is reborn in another Big Bang, over and over, for eternity. But these are just ideas, mathematical possibilities with no concrete evidence. The ultimate origin story of our universe is still the biggest blank page in our book of knowledge. What came before time? Dark energy pushing our universe apart, dark matter holding it together, and the great unknown that existed before the Big Bang. These aren't just small puzzles. They are fundamental questions about the very nature of reality. They remind us that we are just at the beginning of our cosmic journey. The universe is not only stranger than we imagine, it is stranger than we can imagine. Every star we see in the night sky is a reminder of how much more there is to discover. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember that you're staring into the greatest detective story ever told. And we've only just read the first chapter. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the unknown. If you're as fascinated by these mysteries as I am, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next cosmic adventure. See you next time.